My name is Yasin. I specialize in placing individuals primarily from discovery to translational.
My name's Philippa Englefield. I work as an AI and computational sciences recruiter at Barrington James.
So my name is Wani. We're a small boutique recruitment consulting firm that focuses on biotech, life science recruitment.
So my name is Bert Trentelman. I own SRC Search. We're a life science recruitment company based out of Amsterdam.
So my name's Lizzie Gartland. I work at Sienta, which is a boutique life sciences recruitment company.
We support commercial hires for disruptive biotechs. From the US to Europe to APAC, we cover the globe, and we help our clients find talent either with or without experience. And we're always looking for up-and-coming profiles that are excited to move away from the bench but still keep that connection with science.
I'm actually based in Chelmsford, which is just outside of London, but we actually work across the whole of the UK and Europe. And then I have kind of counterparts that work in the US and Asia as well. And essentially, we cover sort of anything from kind of bioinformatics to computational chemistry. And more recently, I've been more specifically focused on kind of bioinformatics and specifically immunology and infectious diseases as well.
Each consultant specialises in a specific function within life sciences. So I myself focus on research and development recruitment in the preclinical space, where we differ slightly from some other companies. We have 70% coming from a life sciences background. So I myself have a degree in zoology, which obviously helps with the sciencey stuff, but I'm not going to claim to be an expert on any of that. We work across Europe, North America, and the UK as well. And we work both with permanent hires and contract hires as well.
I have a background in cognitive neuroscience. I spent time in academia working in animal research, so I resonate with you guys to a small degree. But unfortunately, I didn't go after my PhD and I landed up in the world of recruitment. So I work here at BioTalent, and we specialize in placing individuals from entry level all the way up to C-suite and executive level in the life sciences space. So that is biotech, pharma, medtech, health tech, digital health, anything you can think of in the space, we do it.
I am based in Basel in Switzerland. We mostly work with VCs and their portfolio companies, typically recruiting for C-level and one level below positions, mainly for early stage companies, but also some later stage commercial profiles. So we deal a lot with R&D candidates, so to speak.
I have placed a computational immunologist, a senior bioinformatician, a senior AI scientist. I'm actually working at the moment on kind of a scientific developer, which is kind of a mix between a bioinformatician and a software engineer.
I placed a principal scientist 2 weeks ago in the immunology space. I also placed a research scientist again in the autoimmunology space. And I've actually just placed a head of medicinal chemistry at a inflammation-focused biotech.
Placed a senior scientist in a company focusing in immunoinflammation. I've also placed an associate director of project management at a company working on autoimmune diseases, and also a CSO as well at an immunology company. So very broad in terms of the level there.
We work on C-level positions, whether it's a CEO, a CFO, a chief financial officer, a chief medical officer, chief scientific officer, chief development officer, chief operating officer, head of biology, head of preclinical research, head of AI cheminformatics, a group controller, head of clinical development, head of program alliance management. So always, whether it's really focused on the R&D side or a bit of a mix with the business side as well.
We found, for example, the first field application scientist for French-based startup looking to hire their first people in the US. We're very close to signing their first field application scientist for Germany. We're just waiting on the contract. This is somebody that came without any industry experience, has a PhD, graduated, and is now looking to transition into the industry.